Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! Frostbite is when your skin and tissues freeze whilst being out in the cold, windy weather for too long, or touching things like ice or frozen metal. It doesn't just occur on exposed skin. You can also get it on skin that's covered by gloves and clothing, so be aware. When frost does bite, it's more common to get it on your fingers, toes, nose, ears, cheeks and chin. So look out for the following signs and symptoms. Cold skin and prickling feeling, numbness, red, white, bluish white or greyish yellow skin, hard or waxy looking skin, clumsiness due to joint and muscle stiffness, and in severe cases, blistering after rewarming. When exposed to cold, windy weather, you need to seek shelter or fire as soon as possible, and seek medical attention if you continue to experience the symptoms above. A good tip is to keep a jar of petroleum jelly in your emergency preparedness kit or bug out bag, so that you can apply it to exposed areas. This can help to protect you further, although don't rely on it for too long. Check out the links in the description for more useful tips and information. Remember to think like a yo-yo survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. And be sure to click the notification bell and share this video with family and friends too, so that they can be smart and be ready in case of a natural disaster, emergency or power outage. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to get regular survival updates and check out my channel to see more. Oh, and if you're like me and love my gear, check out the links in the description. Stay safe.